Hey, what's up guys? This is Chris and I'm back with more Everyday RC and my Arrma Talion. As promised, I'm here to do a running video and I'm at a special location today, guys. Technically, I shouldn't really be over here right now, but there's a construction site that's pretty close to my house and I've been passing by it frequently and I couldn't help myself. I had to come over here and just see if I could do some driving, and I think this is a good spot to test the durability of any vehicle because it's pretty rough over here. We got some pretty big RCA and there's some big chunks of rocks, so things are gonna break. It's gonna happen here, and as you can see, I got the ramp set up. Let's do some work with the Arrma Talion. For those of you that saw the update video, you will know that I am running 6S. Those are dual 3S MAXAMPS. Of course, I soldered my Castle 6.5mm bullets on there, and it's time to get this truck dirty. So let's do it, guys. Wow. Okay, guys, here's a little bit of an after run thought. That was amazing. That was so much fun. That was some of the best fun I've had in a long time with an RC car. As you can see, my Yeti XL is over there. We'll see if I bust that out today, but today the main focus was on the Talion. I brought the Yeti XL just in case the Talion broke, but let me tell you guys, this is proof right here that Arrma makes incredibly durable vehicles. I mean, this is one of the best runs I've had in a while, and this is one of the most roughest terrain that I've been on in a while, especially with all the crushed rock down in here. The rocks kept getting caught inside the wheels and locking up the wheels, but this thing took the abuse and it still has more in it. I got about 25 minutes of runtime off the MAXAMPS batteries, which was pretty good, going full throttle, balls to the wall the whole entire time, so that was pretty cool. You can see the bottom of the chassis took a lot of abuse, but it's just scrapes. That's what it's for, right? You know, this truggy is definitely very durable. I can see one of my body pins pulled out. The body did rip, but that was a common problem which I heard about this vehicle, which is very minor, not a big deal. Like I said, I got about 25 minutes of runtime going full throttle with this thing most of the time. The tires really didn't hook up that much, but it was interesting to drive it this way. I think it adds a very cool driving characteristic, even though it's a little bit like being on ice at times. And right before I launch off the ramp or off a jump, I'll pretty much nail it full throttle. And this thing just, you know, driving around on this sand, dirt type of surface, it was really fun to drive it this way. You know, I have a set of Badlands at home, Proline Badlands I might throw on here, but I thought it was pretty interesting to run these truggy tires, so it was pretty cool. So overall, guys, I am really impressed with this vehicle. If you're thinking about buying an Arrma vehicle, either the Kraton or the Talion, I think all the Arrma vehicles now are pretty durable. The Sentin, they're getting very good write-ups, and I'm super happy that I bought this vehicle. It was a toss-up between this and the Kraton, but I got this for a really good deal at the Hobby Expo, so I couldn't pass up the Talion. And this is it in stock form. It took the abuse, and it's got a lot more left in it. All I had to do was stiffen up the suspension. I do have the front and rear suspension almost on maximum with the preload rings. Other than that, it's the stock gearing. Whole truck is stock. So I hope you guys are all out there making it happen in your RC worlds. And from now, this is Chris, the Everyday RC Guy, saying thanks for watching. Make it happen.